About Repetitive Strain Injury Day. This is an important day for workers and employers all across Ontario. It's a day meant to raise these issues amongst workers and employers. Repetitive strain injury is an umbrella term that is used to describe a series of disorders that affect tendons, muscles, nerves, and joints. They are often caused by work-related activities that are frequent and repetitive, or ones with awkward postures, fixed or constrained body positions, repetition of movements on a continual basis, forced concentration on small parts of the body, such as the hands or wrists, or any kind of work that does not allow enough rest between movements. When a worker suffers from workplace-related injuries, it inhibits their ability to successfully do their job, and ultimately it impacts Ontario's economy. Speaker, it's important to dedicate a day to increase awareness, further educate, and help prevent these types of injuries, and I'm pleased to rise and speak on behalf of the PC Caucus, our leader Tim Hudak, and on behalf of the workers in my riding of Lambton Kent Middlesex. On behalf of our party, we remain committed to standing up for Ontario workers and their safety in the workplace, and wish everyone a safe and informative repetitive strain injury day. Thank you.
Thank you.